guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Preet Birang. Welcome to my channel. So today's makeup tutorial is in a series of creative makeup which I have been doing from past few weeks. So today's makeup tutorial is, I named it as a black queen makeup. Well, I created this look I think a month ago on my Instagram and so many of you loved it. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me because I've been doing many series on Instagram. So this one has been from the last month of series and I got so much love on this one. So make sure you guys check this look out on Instagram as well. Yeah, let's just get started and let's see how I created this look. And those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. So the eyeshadow palette which I'm using today is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette, which is a Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette. So let's start with our eyes. I'm using a NYX eyeshadow primer which will prep my eyes before starting the makeup on my eyes, and then I'm using a loose powder from Kat 1D and I would be applying it above the eye primer which I just applied. Now let's begin with our eye makeup. So like I mentioned, I'm using a James Charles eyeshadow palette. The first color which I'm going to be taking is a yellow shade, which is a light color yellow, and I would be using it as a transition shade, and using a big blending brush I would be applying it on all over my eyelid. Just keep blending it out, guys. This color which I'm going to take is again from the yellow family, and I'm going to focus it on the 2/3 part of the front end of my eye. Just keep applying it over there and just keep blending it out from the last color which you use so that it creates a kind of transition, and that's what I'm going to do in my eye makeup. Now the third color which I'm going to be taking is a orange shade, and I would be again applying it on the 3rd, 4th part of my eyelid, but again mixing it with the last color which I used because as I mentioned, I am creating a transition on my eye. Keep blending it out, guys. We are creating a sunrise or a sunset eyes, whatever you call it. So I'm just creating that look on my eye. So use a big blending brush to blend your eyeshadows. Now I'm using a COVERGIRL concealer. I'm doing a cut crease. So this is how I do it. I'm sharing this trick with you guys. So just put a little bit of concealer on your eyelash area, and just roll your eyes. So just in case you guys don't know where your crease is, by doing this trick you will get to know that where exactly your crease is, and from there you can start creating your crease and just do your look. Like you can do a cut crease very easily. That's easy, right? Just try it out. It definitely works 100%. Now I'm using a Butter London eyeshadow palette. I am using a Diva shade from this palette, and I would be applying it on the area where I just did a half cut crease. If you want, you guys can use your fingers. I'm using a brush to apply it. Now this will give a little shimmery gold effect to my eye. Like I said, I'm creating a sunset sunrise effect, so it will definitely look fab on my eye. Now for the eyeliner, I am using NYX Epic Liner in the shade Black. I am creating a very thin eyeliner. If you guys want, you can make a wing eyeliner, but I'm just making a very thin eyeliner just to give a little highlighted effect on the lash line, and then removing all the loose powder from my face because my eye makeup is almost done. So let's quickly move on to our next part. So for the lower lash line, I am going with all the colors of the family from purple, blue. So just like creating those purple, blue, pinkish effect on the lower lash line just so that the color gets highlighted on my eye. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, just using purple, blue, pink, the mixture of those colors, and applying it on my lash line. For the waterline, I'm using NYX eye pencil in bronze. The substitute of this color can be any gold pencil, or even if you want, you can use a black color pencil. Now curling my eyelashes and using one of my favorite mascara, that is Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. Spend time while applying the mascara on both of your eyelashes. Once the mascara is applied, I am using a push-up mascara from Maybelline. It has a beautiful small thin fan which perfectly applies the mascara on your lower lashes. So I'm using this for my lower lashes. and for the fake eyelashes I'm using Reshmi lashes in KIARA. Now let's begin with our face makeup. So I am using, I think, any random eyebrow pencil or eyeliner to create that shape on, like a wavy shape on my face, and then start filling up with the colors. So as I said, I have used few sunset sunrise colors and then few colors from the blue and purple family. So that's what I'm doing. I will be creating a transition effect on my face. So the half part of my face would be filled with red, orange, yellow, and the other part of my face would be filled with blue, purple, pink, and just create a transition. And just make sure you guys blend your colors really nicely, and because if you don't blend it, it will not give you a transition. So transition means mixing up your colors together so that it gives you a very nice ombre effect, like a new color is coming up from the last color. So kind of a transition we need to create. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, just keep blending it out. And so that's what I did, and you guys can see the final result. I was super happy with the final result. Now I'm using a stick-on stones, and you can buy it from any random art and craft store, and just applying it just above the line which I created, like the waves line which I create, to give that sparkle effect, I would say, or maybe the more depth to the face makeup which I did. So it was kind of pretty cool, which I did, and it turned out really well. So I'm glad I did that. Now I didn't have the black lipstick, so what I did for that, like we say jugaad, I used a Maybelline gel eyeliner in the shade black, and I used it as my lipstick. So there you go guys, that's my final look. And I know, like, it looks easy, but honestly it took me 2.5 hours to create this look, because the difficult part was putting up those stones, and I didn't have the exact tool to put on those stones on my face. So like one by one I had to use my fingers to apply it on my face. But anyhow, I'm super happy with the result, so it's okay, the time doesn't matter. So yeah, that was my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and find this look super creative. If you ever recreate my looks, make sure you guys tag me on your picture so that I can see the recreations. I will be more than happy to see the recreations, and I will post your pictures on my Instagram. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Right now I'm signing off from this video, but make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also follow me on all my social media handles, which is mentioned down below. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, and stay safe.